If you're after a quick, low-carb snack that is small in stature but big on flavour, then you must try my bacon sushi bites. Once you start, you won't be able to stop at just one.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So into a pan over a low to medium heat, add in some olive oil and lay down the streaky bacon. Now you want the bacon to have some nice colour on it, but not crispy, so be careful not to overcook it. Each side should only take 3 to 4 minutes. While the bacon is cooking, let's get onto the fillings. Into a bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and season with salt and pepper. Mash it together and mix until smooth. For the other fillings, I'm using shredded courgettes or zucchini and shredded carrot. They add a real nice texture and freshness, and I'm also adding in diced up avocado for that creamy texture that goes really well with the cream cheese. Now the bacon is cooked exactly how I need it. It's got some colour, but it's still foldable like it is when it's raw. If you overcook the bacon, it can't be wrapped and it will break. Now spread the cream cheese over one side of the bacon and then fill it with the shredded vegetables and the diced avocado. You could do other vegetables as well, mix and change it up to your taste, but this is a simple favourite combo of mine. Start to roll the bacon nice and tight. The cream cheese will help everything stay together. Continue this process with all the bacon you have and then serve immediately. I know it doesn't look like much, but seriously, they taste so good. It's great for parties and makes awesome finger food snacks. You can grab all the recipe details in the video description along with the nutritional info. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon for another recipe.